Hey there! INFONTIES presents Everyday Conversation series. This is the chapter 1, Introductions and Small Talk.
This conversational episode is about informal greetings and farewells. Let's begin.
Hi, Helen. How is it going? Fine, thanks. And you? Just fine. Where are you off to? To the library. I have got a history exam next week and need to start studying. Oh no. Well, I will see you later then. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. Hi is an informal way of saying hello. Notice that the I sound in hi is extended to show that Jane is very pleased to see Helen. How is it going? Is an informal way of saying how are you? Fine, thanks. And you? Notice the rising intonation on and you. This shows that Helen is interested in what Jane has to say. Where are you off to? Is an informal way of saying where are you going? Intonation would fall here, since this is an information question, not a yes or no question. To the library. Notice that Helen does not say I am going here because that information was already established in the question. Where are you off to? Oh no, is a way of saying I sympathize with you or I understand you're not happy. See you later is an informal way of saying goodbye.